Good afternoon, it's Peter Boulton. I was just thinking about that question that when I originally came across the SFM and the business opportunity, I wondered, what was it that attracted me to get involved? Because I have to say at first I was a bit sceptical. And I was considering that today, 15 months in now to the opportunity and generating an income from SFM, I try and sort of cast my mind back to, if I was like you looking at this for the first time, what would it be that would attract me to get involved? Would it be the potential income opportunity? Would it be the opportunity perhaps to have a challenge and start and run an online business, and however challenging that may feel to you? Would it be perhaps getting involved in a community of like-minded people who are all keen to be able to develop and start and grow their online businesses, but actually work together to help each other to do that? There's a certain amount of camaraderie about that, which I think is just fabulous. That at any time, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, I can reach out within the community online to get questions answered or ask for some support or even an opinion. And I think that's very valuable. So for whatever reason you're thinking about this opportunity, perhaps, it's one of those reasons, perhaps it's another reason, but I just encourage you to take action, lean in as I call it, and have a look at the free video workshop and see whether this is an opportunity that might be for you. And if you've already signed up either as an application or as a member of SFM and you'd like some help, don't be fearful. Reach out to me. I'll leave my website address on the bottom of this video, peterbolton.com, and on there you can find a contact page where you can drop me an email and reach out to me, and then perhaps we can connect on a telephone call so that I can answer any questions or discuss any observations that you've got about this opportunity, so that you're in the best place to make the right decision for you. Anyway, I'll let you get on with your day. Take care.